Hi, welcome to my channel. Here are the best anti-inflammatory foods to support your body. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain compounds that help fight inflammation and support overall immune function. Incorporating leafy greens into meals is a simple way to enhance the nutritional value of your diet. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, helping to lower inflammation markers in the body. Incorporating these fish into your diet supports cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They contribute to an anti-inflammatory diet by providing nutrients that combat inflammation. Nuts also offer a satisfying crunch and can be a convenient snack. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the body. Berries are also packed with vitamins, fiber, and other essential nutrients, promoting overall health. Oatmeal. Oats are a whole grain that provides beta-glucans, a type of fiber with anti-inflammatory properties. Oatmeal can be a nutritious and filling breakfast option, promoting a steady release of energy and supporting gut health. Olive oil. Extra virgin. Olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. It contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that help combat inflammation and support heart health. Use olive oil as a primary cooking oil or drizzle it over salads for added flavor and health benefits. Please subscribe to my channel for more.